Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming Jovi is available and updated on your device, because an outdated assistant won't behave predictably. Once done, open Settings and enable Jovi under Smart Services or Assistant. This gives system permission for shortcuts. Now decide whether you want a single-tap shortcut or a persistent widget on the home screen, since the next steps differ slightly. Make sure you have at least one free home screen panel, and that gesture. Now you'll add Jovi to the home screen. Long press an empty area until widgets and home settings appear. Next, find Jovi in the widget list or shortcuts section. Press, hold, and drag its icon to the exact spot you want, then release to place it. If it's a widget, resize using the handles so it fits your layout. If it's a shortcut, position it near frequently used apps. Once positioned, tap it to confirm Jovi launches instantly, and change placement if needed. Finish by opening Jovi from the home screen and granting microphone, location, or notification permissions so the assistant works fully. Without them, features will fail. If the shortcut refuses to place, clear the launcher cache in Settings, right arrow apps, or temporarily switch to the phone's default launcher, then try again. If Jovi behaves oddly after placement, update the Jovi app in System Updates and reboot the phone. One key tip: rebooting often resolves permission or cache conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.